Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about how to get traffic to your website. Maybe you have products and services, you've got your business all ready to go, and now you just need people to come to your website. So here are the top ways that people do this. Number one is going to be ads, whether it's Google ads, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, it could be Pinterest ads, it could be Bing ads, whatever ads, you are sending people to your website through ads. The problem with this is that if you're first starting out and you don't have a lot of revenue, you can run through your ad spend really quickly. Now, the way to get around it, of course, is to have some sort of product or service that you are offering people out the gate that is low ticket, that's going to pay for those ads. However, there's so many things that can go wrong with Facebook ads. I'm sure there are people that are watching me right now and said, I have tried ads and they do not work for me and I'm frustrated. I can't tell you how many people I've heard have actually said that. Everyone talks about Facebook ads and how wonderful they are. Well, they are really wonderful and they can really work. But if you don't have the right copy, if you don't have the right image, if you don't have the right offer, if Facebook is sending your ads to the wrong people and you don't know it, all of these things go into what is an unsuccessful ad. And some people don't even realize that you can set up interest or even set up, no interest and try to get Facebook to target your people, and it's sent to the wrong people. And so there's strategies and things that you've got to go through, such as putting multiple ads up in order to figure out who it's going to target. But if you have a small budget, then that's really not the path you want to take, right? So ads is one way, and then Google ads, you can do search ads, you can, do display ads, all of that. Number two, let's talk about SEO. So I do SEO audits, and a lot of people come to me and they want SEO done on their website. Here's the thing with SEO is, yes, you absolutely need it. It has to be part of your strategy to bring traffic to your website, but it's not the fastest and it can be turned off at any time. And what I mean by this is, let's say you rank to the top in Google for a certain highly searched keyword. Well, all it takes is somebody to outrank you with better content and, or the algorithm to change, and you no longer get that traffic. So it's not a guarantee that even once you reach these, rankings, that you're actually going to keep those rankings. Getting like your business manager up in Google, that's going to help your website rank a little bit, and making sure that all of your pages and the speed of your website and all of this is up to par. That's part of an SEO audit, making sure that you can actually even rank. Because if you have a slow website, if maybe it's something like HostGator, which I know is known for being slow sometimes. Some of these big service providers actually are really slow because they have you on shared servers, and it's not dedicated just to your website. And so then what happens is it slows everything down, and you're not going to rank if it takes you longer than a certain amount of time, if other pages are loading faster. If you have images and things that aren't optimized and it's not loading, you're not going to rank. So all these things go into the whole SEO thing. So we talked about ads, we talked about SEO, let's talk about social media. So you can grow your social media. And this is a huge frustration for a lot of people. I have found, even in the marketing realm, that this is the biggest frustration, because marketers will tend to go towards the ads, right? And I have found very, very few digital marketers like myself that actually have several YouTube channels and several different social medias that they're growing. They just don't go down that route, and I don't know why. Because I feel like social media is probably the easiest way and the fastest way to make your brand known and to make your services known. Yes, it takes work. Yes, you've got to put a lot of content out there, but it's going to be less expensive than ads, even if you hired somebody to help you chop up the videos or to, transcribe things. So I want to talk a little bit about your social media today, because I feel like this is something that I really specialize in helping entrepreneurs in getting, building their business. And it's something that I've been able to sell out businesses of their supplements, and I've been able to just really excel with online content. Now, I would say, number one, YouTube, I absolutely love because it has longevity and you can actually make some money off of the AdSense. You don't make a ton, but you do make some. But the third reason why I love YouTube is the videos are longer and you actually get to know people. So you guys that are here on my channel, you've watched me grow, you've seen me grow. Like I used to do Amazon and I have those videos private now, but you've seen me grow and been part of my journey. And the videos you watch, we kind of get to know each other, right? Or at least you're getting to know me. And that's what's the most important thing when you're building a business is you want people to know you. You want them to get to know who you are and what you have to offer. And so I really feel that YouTube is a way to go to build those relationships. And it's a great way to address people's issues and problems that they're having and really bring value. Okay, so my top platforms, I love TikTok because TikTok is very, very easy to go viral. All you have to do is have a really good hook with a video. If I want to create something that is going to go viral, I will come up with a topic and then I will come up with a major hook in the beginning of the video. Something that either is going to get people to be super curious or they're going to, it's going to shock them a little bit. Like I sold out a business a couple of weeks ago that actually sells a product that gets rid of parasites, which everyone's got parasites if you don't know this. And it's just part of, they're on our food, and even if you cook them, you can't get rid of them. So it's really great to do a parasite cleanse. So what I did is I went onto my social media and I said, this is how I got rid of a foot-long parasite and thousands of others, right? And I shared about the supplement I took on Amazon. It sold them out on Amazon. It sold out the entire supplier and it sold out their warehouse. And then they contacted me and they're like, what is going on? Because that video went viral, right? Because it was a shock factor, right? And I did a couple of videos around it. One, I actually used somebody else's video that they were like eating papaya because they're trying to get rid of it. But papaya seeds have cyanide in it. And so you've got to be careful with some of that stuff. And so I offered another solution. And I've done this a number of times. So it can be emotionally driven, where it pulls people in because it speaks to their problems, it speaks to their issues, and it's a very emotional topic. Those tend to do really well as well. If you have a really good hook in the beginning of a video and they give a solution at the end. And the third one would be, again, it would be the curiosity. If you have something that brings people in that keeps them curious and they want to see how things unfold. The last way that you can really get traffic to your website is going to be guest speaking on other people's podcasts, guest blogging with other people, and that sort of thing. I highly recommend that you kind of look at all of these different ways and what is going to work for your business. I know, again, most digital marketers go towards the ads, but I feel like even here on my other YouTube channel, I got 2.5 million views off of one little clip video that I did on TikTok and uploaded. And it wasn't SEO'd, it wasn't, that I SEO'd everything and everything was perfect. It was simply because the content was good. So if you can bring engaging content, that things that people are curious about, you're gonna do really, really well. So hopefully this video has helped you guys, and I do private coaching. If you are needing strategy to scale your business online, check out my links down below along with my free resources. Thanks for watching my video, and we'll see you next week.